Convoy leader to heavy lift 2, approach vector is clear. Watch the eastern flank.
Roger that. Moving up slowly.
Lowering segment C, hold steady against the wind. Roger that. Guiding rope secured. Watch your footing down there.
Bolt secured. All right, let's move up. All right, let's move up.
The BIF TBM is at full capacity. All systems are green. Acknowledged. We are ready to proceed.
Increase the torque. We need to break through the shear layer.
Confirmed. Monitoring vibration levels now.
Watch the pressure on the cutters. Woo! Debris incoming. Stand back.
Adjust the pressure. We have a major fissure forming.
Copy that. Increasing stabilization.
We need to clear this bottleneck now.
Copy that. Increasing speed on conveyor 4. We need to secure sector 4 before the next bore.
Copy that. Moving now.
Check the pressure on the gauge. It's holding steady. Keep going. Clear the left side. Watch the heavy load coming through.
Move that scoop to the left. Watch the ice build up on sector 4.
Copy that. Moving let.
Sector Gamma is showing instability.
We have a critical reading. Sound the alert. Move everyone back.
Bring it down 20 centimeters. Roger that. Bringing it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the left side.
The thermal output is stable across all vents.
Good. We need to maintain this flow to melt the ice.
Maintain pressure at 50 bar. Roger that. Checking flow rate now.
Check the pressure on line 3. It's spiking.
I see it. Adjusting the flow now.
We have unstable ice on the upper left.
Copy that. Increasing pressure.
Increase power to the main rotors. Watch for fracturing.
Keep pushing. Clear the left side. Keep it steady on the left side. Watch the pressure. I see it. Moving up now.
Status report on the ice stability.
Readings are fluctuating, sir.
Acknowledged. Proceed with caution.
Anchor point 7 is secure.
Moving to the next section now. Careful up there.
Keep it slow on the curve, driver. Ice patch ahead. Confirmed. Moving past marker 3. Keep it slow on the curve, driver. Ice patch ahead. Confirmed. Moving past marker 3.
All right, easy now. Bring her down slow. Watch the clearance on the right side. Confirmed. Moving into position.
Okay, lower it slowly. Watch the alignment on the left side.
Copy that. Coming down easy. We're clear on this side, boss. Hold it steady there. All right, it's tight. Move to the next one. Keep everyone back from the nozzle. We are clear up top. Bring it forward slowly.
Keep the spray steady right there.
All right, I'm smoothing it out now. Make sure we get a good bond on the ice. All right, hold it steady at this height. Ease it to the left.
Roger that. Beam secure. Setting the wrenches now.
Increase the torque. We need to set that deeper.
Copy that. Watching for instability.
Keep it steady on the east side.
Watch the clearance. Move it forward, slowly now.
This joint here shows signs of stress fractures.
I see it. Log that for the BIF report.
Watch the welding. Keep the area clear.
Lower the segment slowly. Align with the marker.
Pressure stable at 50 bar.
Okay, keep it steady. Moving to section 4.
The pressure on sensor array 9 is fluctuating rapidly.
That aligns with the subsurface thermal imaging.
Cross-referencing the seismic data now.
All right, BIF, let's get below. Clear the entrance.
We have an issue on level 3.
Get the stabilization team down here now.
Plow 1, proceed to waypoint Delta. We are clear on the east ridge. Copy that, moving up now.
Lower it easy. We got the clamp ready. All right, secure the bolt now. Watch the line.
We have a confirmed spike at 500 meters. Initiate fail-safe sequence immediately. Sequence initiated. Holding steady.
Detonation successful, BIF team. How copy?
Loud and clear, control. Avalanche is running hot.
We're approaching the narrow section now. Stay right and follow the guides.
Head down, keep pushing. We're almost at the entry, let's go. Look at the buildup on the crane. It's completely encased. We can't do anything until this wind dies down. We need more coverage on the articulation joint. All right, moving the secondary hose now. Heat the coupling, now.
Thawing it now.
We have movement. Watch the cable, keep it steady. Clear on the left, bring it down slow. The wind sounds fierce out there.
Glad we're inside. The monitor says it won't let up for hours.
We need more tension on this run.
Okay, pulling it now. Clear the area below.
We need more heat in Sector 4. Open the valves. Affirmative. Adjusting flow rate now.
Lower the pipe slowly now.
Watch the alignment on the left side.
Clear over here. We need to adjust the schematic for the fiber run here. All right, I'll have the team move the main bundle to the upper tray. Watch the clearance on the left side.
Sequence start in Sector Gamma.
Power stable. Lumen output nominal.
We're seeing a critical spike in the north tunnel.
Acknowledged. Initiating pressure release sequence alpha.
Attention all personnel. This is a test of the emergency system.
BIF Team 1 confirms reception. The sequence is nominal.
Check the readings on that upper quadrant, B. Looks like minor seepage.
Confirmed, A. Logging it now. The pressure sensors are stable.
All right, bring the load forward slowly.
Wait for my signal before turning.
Status report on level 4 excavation.
We're encountering heavier ice density than projected. BIF foreman advises caution.
Panel diagnostics complete.
Switchgear is secure and operational.
Overhead inspection clear. Ready for final sign-off.
The Bifrost Initiative, or BIF, represents an unprecedented engineering challenge, drilling miles into the heart of the glacier.
All right, bring it down. Steady, steady, lock it in place.
We are accelerating to phase 2 velocity. Monitor structural integrity.
Data looks good. BIF Pod 7 is green across the board.
All right, keep it steady. Watch the left side, BIF 2. You're clear to move up another 10 meters.
Speed looks good. Initiating auxiliary power sequence.
BIF control acknowledges. Stand clear of the gantry.
We have a slight delay on the central line. Rerouting traffic now.
Acknowledged. BIF team is on standby at the junction.
BIF command, we have the subject secured and en route to the exit. All teams accounted for.
Copy that. Proceeding with extraction protocols.
The bolts up here are showing stress fractures.
We need to report that to Central immediately.
Agreed. We can't risk structural integrity.
Log the exit time now.
Wind shear is higher than projected. Check the couplings near the entrance.
BIF Transport 4 proceeding to reorganization.
Confirmed. Track alignment is secure. Send it.
We need to secure the gamma conduits before the next transport arrives.
Almost finished with the welding, Captain.
The completion of the BIF Glacier Tunnel finally connects our nation, proving that the age